Hey guys, Full Throttle Chevy here. Long time no see. I've been working a lot out of town, but today I got a little surprise for you. Uh, First, I'll show you this. I'm working on painting the bed to match the rest of the truck. Uh, I got it all sanded down and whatnot. But anyway, you ready for it? There she is. This is a I gotta look up the serial number, but this is a 80 something Miller Big 20. It's a beast. It'll put out 200 amps at 100% duty cycle. So you can weld with this thing all day. You can arc cut with it. Uh, all that good stuff. So she's got a Continental 4-cylinder, which I'll show you in a minute. This is a gas one. They made the big 50s, which were diesel, but this is the gas version, which I'm cool with that. The diesel ones are, the big 50s are cool, but they also, the diesel motors that they put in them, they had some issues, so there's a lot more things that can go wrong with them. The 4-cylinder gas engine is a lot simpler and easier to work on, easier to find parts for. Well, there she is. Got our fine adjustment here. The face plate is in really nice shape. It's got some AC outlets right here. These AC outlets are powered off of the alternator on the engine. Fire it up for you guys too. We got a polarity switch here. It's kind of froze up. It does move, but it takes a lot of effort. Reason for that is most of the time when you're stick welding, pretty much all the time, you're going to be using reverse polarity, so this thing has not been switched around that much. So that's why that's froze up. But I plan on getting a scratch start TIG set up for this, and then I'll be probably using straight polarity. But anyway, there's the front plate there, face plate. The side panels are in really nice shape. They're nice and straight. It's got some surface rust. It's really not that bad, just needs some paint. Stored inside most of its life. Nice thing is none of the knobs are missing or broke. Here's the engine compartment. Got the 4-cylinder Teledyne Continental Y112 flathead 4-cylinder engine. It's in pretty nice shape. You know, a little rust, a little surface rust, but there's still some original paint on there. Really easy to find parts for these, readily available. It does need a good tune-up. I need to go through the ignition system, put some new points in the distributor. I think it's kind of interesting, the distributor is right in the middle of the engine, right there. But anyway, yeah, it needs a tune-up. Doesn't start up right away. It has to turn over for a good 30 seconds before it actually starts. It needs a good oil change. Got all our specs there. Got a little diagram. It's a massive generator unit right there. The thing I like about this is none of the wiring is hacked up. It's all original. nicely routed factory looking wiring here. A lot of these, they get hacked up and people run other wires off and make a mess out of it. There's that polarity switch down in there. Just switches back and forth. You don't even really need that. You can just swap your cables on these. But that's where the welding cables hook up. I need to get some welding cables for it. I did weld with this before I bought it. It welds really nice. But the welding cables that I used, they were not included with the sale. I got a really good deal on this thing, or what I feel like was a really good deal. And the cables are routed down through this little loop. It's kind of nice. So yeah, there's that. I'll give you a peek of the other side. I can't open the door all the way because the engine hoist is in the way. There's the carburetor, and there's the little sediment bowl. Sediment bowl needs to be turned on all the way when you fire it up, so let me reach under there and turn that on. Hopefully it'll start pretty easy. I did check the AC outlets and they work, so that's cool. There's the choke. There's your ignition. Got lights on there and everything. And your starter button. So there you have it. I'm going to try to keep this video under 10 minutes. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Once I get my welding cables, I'll make an update video, do some welding with this thing. I got that welding table over there that I built that I never finished welding. So that'll be my first project. I'm excited. Thanks for watching, guys.